Hey everybody, welcome back to the Awesome Lindsay channel. Today I thought I'd show you how to easily adapt the Westcott Rapid Box to take an Evolv or an AD200. Normally you'd use a speedlight. Since there's a cold shoe, the flash sits up a little bit higher to poke through the opening in the softbox. With the AD200, it sits lower and it doesn't have a hot shoe mount. So what I've done is grabbed some of these adapters, the 1/4-20, the 3/8, and some stand adapters. You can find these on Amazon. I'll post a link. And then you'll also want to go to like a Home Depot or something and grab like a 1/4-20 thumb screw here. That'll focus. And what you'll want to do is there's a 1/4-20 hole at the back of this mount here, and you'll just thread the thumb screw up through it. You won't have the ability to slide this because it doesn't have the threadless area like this one does. But with the AD200, it's you'll want it to sit back further anyway. And then you'll slide this stand adapter on to the 1/4-20, and this thing should tighten into place. And then we'll throw this back onto the stand. And then what you can do is use the original adapter that came with the AD200. This thing will attach onto the stand adapter. And then the softbox will mount onto the stand as normal. And this thing allows the AD200 to sit up high like a speedlight would. And sitting back as far as it does, you have the flash flush with the Octabox, so that way you get as much light spread as you can get. Hope you guys found this useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments field and I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks everyone for watching.